Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my top 5 favorite red lipsticks for deeper skin tones and people of color. I have a couple of higher end, and then a couple of drugstore red lipsticks as well, and liquid lipsticks. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first red we have is Milani's Devotion. This is one of their liquid lipsticks. You guys know that this is like one of my absolute favorite formulas of liquid lipsticks. It's on the deeper of the red spectrum, and it's a blue-based red, but this one looks really great on deep skin tones. You don't even really need a lip liner with this, and they dry down super matte. Next is All Fired Up from MAC. On camera, it's coming off a little more pink than it is in real life. It is a red with a pink undertone. This is my absolute favorite summertime red. It's really, really beautiful and bright and neon. So if you're a little bit timid of colors, try this out, but use a brown lip liner with it. It'll kind of mute it out a little bit. Next is Bloodline from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this formula as well. This one is more on the orangey side of the reds. It's really, really pretty. I love this one for summer as well. This on deeper skin tones and like people with golden undertones is beautiful. It just kind of brings out the gold in your skin, and it looks great like all year round really, but especially in summertime. Next is another Milani product. This is Confident from Milani. It's one of their matte lipsticks. I really like this as well. This is kind of like a true red. It's like an equal amount of blue and orange. Yeah, I like this one a lot. It's really pretty and super easy to wear and easy to pull off. And lastly is my absolute favorite red lipstick. This is Ruby Woo from MAC. I love their retro matte formula. They last all day. They don't go anywhere. And this is just a beautiful, bright, like blue-based red. I love this so much. It makes your teeth look super white. But yeah, guys, that is it for my top 5 red lipsticks. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.